Good morning to everyone. In this lecture, I want to be introduce the basic things you have to be remember while you are writing a Verilog code. Actually, in Verilog code, we will mainly focus on the means like first we have to be implement that functionality of each and every circuit. Otherwise, any logic means like logical gate. Otherwise, any combination circuit. Otherwise, sequential circuits. Okay, actually, the Verilog code we can implement only for digital circuits. We can't implement for analog circuits. Remember this thing also. Here, in this video, I want to be cover two things. First one is a module, how to create a module, and what is the importance of module, and what is the role of module in a Verilog code. Okay, next one is what is a test bench. These two things in this video I want to be discuss. So module. Already in previous videos, I introduced about a module. A module is a keyword. We can use a module in any Verilog code for describing the behavior, otherwise the functionality of that particular hardware. For example, I want to be write the code, a Verilog code for AND gate, logical AND gate. So the functionality of the logical AND gate is when I am giving the inputs, both inputs are high, then the output will be high. So this is the functionality. So for that functionality I want to be implement. So the functionality I will take with the word a module. So each and every functionality I will be created in the module. So when you are going to the structure of the Verilog code, then you can easily identify. Already we discussed in previous videos. Here, the model is a block of Verilog code that implements a certain functionality. See, for example, uh, it's a block. For example, I already I told you that AND gate, otherwise OR gate, otherwise, for example, I want to implement a half adder. Otherwise, I want to be implement four multiplexer with 2 by 1 multiplexers. Okay, like that. This type of combination, otherwise sequential circuits, whatever you want to be implement, then you can go. This module is a particular block of a code for that functionality. Okay, it is used to construct a design. Okay, so here the module used to be designed to construct a design. I told you already. For example, I can create a number of modules in a particular one program, but I can't create here the module as a means nested means a module within a module. We can't write the program in a Verilog, but in a single program we can create a number of modules separately means a number of functionalities we can check at a time. Okay, so actually remember already I told you the module is a keyword. When you are starting that module program, see the syntax here. The module should be enclosed within module and end module keywords. So whenever you are starting the code, here this is the module. It consists the module name and the port list. Okay, so after that you have to be end this module by using the keyword of end module. The remaining in between this module and end module, you can write that implementation of that what you are writing, like a AND gate implementation, OR gate, otherwise any combination circuit, other sequential circuits. Okay, you can implement in between this module and end module keywords. So here sometimes what is the port list here? The port list means what are the means like inputs and outputs you are taking. This is called the port list. The module name, sometimes without port list also we can create a module that is only module and what is the module name you are taking, and you should end with end module keyword. See the example here, you can easily identify, means like I get an idea how to create a module. This is a Verilog code. This is a Verilog code for implementation of AND gate. Okay, so AND gate, I am taking the module is a keyword. So first starting module, oh, I want to be end with the end module. I am taking the module name AND gate. What are the port list here? I am taking the inputs and outputs. So here, if you are watching this pic, A, B, and Y are the ports. A and B are the input ports, and Y is the output port. So A, B, Y, I am taking here the ports. You can take the ports in any order, like outputs are first and inputs are last. Otherwise, A, Y, B. Here there is no sequence order. You are means like taking the ports list. So after that, I am differentiating the input ports and output ports like input a comma b and output y. So by using the assign keyword, I am assigning y is equal to a and b. This is the implementation, the logic of the AND gate. So y is equal to a ampersand the logic. Okay, y is equal to a ampersand. When you are implementing this type of assignment, you have to use the assign keyword. Okay, so after that you should remember you have to end with the end module. See, every statement is ending with a semicolon, but here the end module is does not contain any semicolon. So please remember and keep this thing in your mind when you are writing the Verilog code. The end module, it should not end with a semicolon. Remaining every statement in Verilog, you should end with a semicolon. So with assign, inputs and outputs connected via a AND gate. So here the assign is like I want to be implementing in logic. I told you already. You want to be connect the inputs and outputs by using this. You can use the assign keyword. Okay. So here after that, I want to be introduced as test bench. What is the need of test bench and what is the use of test bench in a Verilog code? Test bench is nothing but here I implemented the code, but this is the logic. Okay, so but is it correct or not means if I am giving the inputs like 1 and 1, then it is producing, is it producing one output or not? So I want to be test this implementation of the this code. Okay, for this implementation, otherwise the testing of this code, I need a test bench. A test bench, okay. Test bench is nothing but it is a Verilog code. Okay, means I want to be write the another Verilog code for what you have written the logic of particular gate, otherwise combination circuits, otherwise equation circuits. Okay, a test bench is simply, we can say, it is a tester. So whatever you are writing the code of the Verilog, you want to be a test, is it correct logic implementation or not. So it is a test bench is very important because I implemented this code, but is it correct or not, I don't know. Then if the test bench is not available, then how you can check is it correct or not. So that's why the test bench is very important, and while you are implementing a test bench, you have to be take care that the steps we have to be follow. So this is an example of indicate test bench. I created an example of the program just to see, and have given the explanation of the each and every line also. So in this slide here, a module I created, this is the separate program for test bench. So I have to be execute two programs at a time. I will show in next video how to execute that this programs. Okay, so module indicate underscore tb, I change, means like this is the module name. I change like I created underscore tb, this is a test bench, and while t underscore y. So this is output I have taken in a wire wire and data type, and register data type I have taken two inputs, t underscore a and t underscore b. After that, I am using the previous module name, that is AND gate. So what is I created here? See, AND gate I am calling same, means like here I am using the same module name, and I am creating for this module I am creating an instantiate module. So so my underscore gate I am creating, what are the ports I have taken previously, I am calling, this is the syntax you have to be followed. Dot a is converting to t underscore a, and dot b means like a I am converting into t underscore a, and b I am connecting with the t underscore b, and y I am connecting with the t underscore y for testing purpose. So when you are doing this thing, you have to be called with dot a, dot b, and dot y. This is a syntax, and this is the methodology you have to remember in your mind. After that, here the testing code is starting, so I have to use the two keywords here, initial and begin. So initial begin, I am starting is a dollar monitor is to display the output, otherwise the input things. Okay, so for displaying purpose I am using monitor, otherwise sometimes you can use a display also, it's a keyword. So here I am taking the inputs t underscore a and t underscore b, I am taking two inputs. The one already I explained this how to take the inputs as a number. It's a size of the number